Hi, let me show you how to turn off passcode on iPhone. For that, we need to go ahead and open Settings and start scrolling down till we can see section Face ID and Passcode. If your phone does not have Face ID, then just search for this section Passcode. So now we need to enter current passcode and then start scrolling down to find this blue option, Turn Passcode Off. Also, if you set up Face ID, then you will need to reset your Face ID first and then turn passcode off. So here, as you can see, your Apple Pay cards and card case will be removed from wallet and will need to be manually re-added to use them again. You will not be able to use a passcode to reset your Apple account password. So if you want to turn it off, then tap on red option, turn passcode off, confirm by entering your current passcode, then wait a few seconds till it will load new information, and here you can pick to turn off and remove passwords or keep using iCloud Chain if you have that option. And now we just turned off passcode. And yeah, so that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.